Masport was a pretty famous company in New Zealand. It's the iron foundry, started in Auckland in about 1910. The potbelly is a real classic. The first thing you'll need to do is get some really dry kindling and chop it finely with the axe. Just be careful with your fingers. Usually about 10 pieces is enough. Just get it nice and fine. Then you want to take it inside and open up the Oregon fire. And first of all, what I do is I put a couple of decent sized logs on each side at the bottom. Then get about 3 or 4 sheets of newspaper and screw them up fairly loosely and put them into the cavity there. If you've got some old cardboard or that lying around too, that's really good to get rid of it, and it lasts a bit longer. Then put the kindling wood, crisscross it on top of the paper, not too tight. And then put a couple of bigger pieces on top just to get it a bit more serious. Now the match, just light the paper. Now the damper should be in the vertical position when you start the fire, as much as you can get it up there, and then close the vent and open those vents there so it gets the maximum amount of air through. After about 10 minutes with the fire going, you can close the damper to the horizontal position and close the vent. That'll give you a much better heat and stops wastage of water. If you've got kids, use the fire screen.